Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove part of a video in Capcut. I will be just tap on my Capcut application right over here and I want to
Did you
just play
know the
this
reason
video.
why all the flags are backwards on military uniforms?
So I want to remove this flag part of this video and I want to just tap on this video, and here is the left bottom corner option is the split. I want to just tap on it simply. Again I want to just select it, the part which I was to delete. So I want again just tap on it split. So I want to just tap on it this one, and simply the right bottom corner option is the delete. So I want to play this
Did
video
you
and let's
know the
see.
reason why all on military uniforms? You ever
Oh,
realize that?
no, I didn't.
So
So here you will see, in this way you will just have to remove the part of a video in CapCut easily. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.